The Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee, PSC, on Science and Technology, Environment, Forests and Climate Change visited ICFRE-Rain Forest Research Institute, Jorhat on November 20, 2024. The committee was constituted by 7 honorable members of parliament from Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha. From the Rajya Sabha Secretariat, senior officials accompanied the delegation as well. The visit commenced with a tour of the exhibition stall, where the Institute showcased its ongoing research and extension activities along with significant achievements. This was followed by Parliamentary Standing Committee meeting with a representative of Ministry of Environment, Forests and Climate Change, and officials of ICFRE-Rain Forest Research Institute, Jorhat. Key participants included Shri K.V. Singh, Inspector General of Forests, Ministry of Environment, Forests and Climate Change, Dr. Nitin Kulkarni, Director, ICFRE-RFRI, Dr. Rajesh Sharma, Deputy Director General, ICFRE, Dehradun, Dr. Rajiv Bora, Group Coordinator, Research, and all heads of divisions including Dr. Dhruba Jyoti Das, Scientist F, Shri Rajesh Kumar, Scientist F, Shri Imatemsu Ao, Deputy Conservator of Forests, and Dr. Satyam Bordoloi, Scientist D.